The four shapes below are made up of identical squares and identical right triangles. If two sides of each triangle have equal length, which of the four shapes, if any, has the least perimeter? So first, let's get an understanding of what perimeter is. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. So let's say that each side of the triangle is 1. So here's a side of a triangle, here's a side of a triangle, here's a side of a triangle, and this can also be made into two right triangles. So 1, 1. We find that the perimeter would be 6. Next, we need to understand how a triangle works. So let's pick sides for the triangle. So it said both sides of the triangle are equal, so I'm going to pick 2. To find the hypotenuse, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem. So this is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It is used to find the hypotenuse of a triangle. So a equals 2 squared plus b equals 2, and then square, then solve this. Equals square root of 8, which equals 2.83 approximately. So this would be the length of the hypotenuse. This shows that the hypotenuse is longer than the sides, which is important to consider when figuring out which has the least perimeter. So we know that the hypotenuse is longer, so I'm going to count how many hypotenuses are included in each perimeter of each figure. So here we have 0 included in the perimeter. There's only the sides of the triangles included. You can see this better if you make this into a right triangle. B has 2 hypotenuses included here, so I'm going to write 2 here. This is also 2 hypotenuses for C and 2 for D. So, based off this, they will not all have the same perimeter. And A will have the least perimeter because it only includes the sides counted in the perimeter. So the sides are less than the hypotenuse, and therefore it will have the least perimeter.